everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing my small workspace area with you people. Since my bookshelf is not kept here, so I have to make this magazine holder with some drawers, and I have to keep some extra things for my organization. So yeah, I'll be showing all of these to you and how I decorated this small area. So starting it off, first of all, this is how it looks, and yeah, this is my first magazine. This is my first holder or organizer. This I bought from Miniso. This is very old, and I use this for keeping my notepads and sticky notes, and all the things are kept organized in this way. Yeah, and in this below section, I used to keep dividers, pen drives, staplers, some cards, like random stuffs. These are the stuffs that loses easily, so I just like to keep them organized. Then this is my favorite pen holder. Actually, this is a coffee mug. It was gifted, but I just love this since it's white in color, and I sticked some glittery tape below this one. And now coming to this area, this I made myself. This is my magazine holder, and here I decorated it with some candle, and this is my diffuser. This diffuser, and in this section I kept all my markers and my hand cream. And now these two drawers are there, which are again used for keeping random stuffs. So I don't have any drawers, extra drawers, so I have to make all of these things. This is another organizer I have made for keeping some extra stuffs, like in one section I keep my wallet. This is the wallet I'm using currently, and chargers, scale, some extra papers, some paper for printers, and all the things that I don't want to keep on my table, and in order to prevent it from looking messy, I just keep them in this organizer. Okay, so this is how I made it and decorated it. So yeah, this is the final look of my table. You can see, and you can take some inspirations if you want, if you like my decoration and my organization. If you want, then I'll give another video for my magazine holder decor. So please like and subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Bye bye.